unbelievable.
That's great.
So yeah, see.
Baby, that's great. That's like the one I got you for the phone. You know
Yeah,
how it made
it's
your head
I
feel
know.
better, no headaches?
Right away.
Same thing, you stick it on the phone and it gets the
Yes,
electromagnetic
it's supposed to.
wave. And she said she felt better
Yes.
right away.
See?
If you have it, yeah. But with those, I think you're supposed to charge them once in a while with the sun. That's what I saw on the internet. I'm not sure completely,
Yeah.
but look into it.
Wow.
So it's Irma's birthday. It's Irma's 50th birthday.
And I got
60th?
all those
50th.
You said 60th.
No, I didn't.
I got all
I
the
heard
beautiful
60.
things for my birthday.
All right.
Ha 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 ha.
Okay, yeah, this outfit. And wait,
Very nice.
something else on the wall.
Oh, Blaine, and I got this. Look, my sister made me. May every of your day have a rainbow in it. See?
Oh,
Isn't that
that's
beautiful?
That's an acrylic, right? That you did?
Yes, acrylic.
That's beautiful.
Wonderful.
Is it? Look,
Wonderful.
perfect, eh?
It's okay.
It's beautiful.
It
Are you
is beautiful.
kidding?
It is very beautiful.
But I painted it for you.
Oh,
That's even
and it has
better.
a writing in the back and everything.
Yeah.
I did.
Beautiful.
I did. I painted it for her.
That's
That's beautiful. Here, let me get one of you two.
Okay. It's still rolling.
Okay, now what do you want? Okay, this
Don't
is
shake your hands so much.
Marjana.
Hey, she has shoes
And
and I'm the
Irma.
short one without shoes. I don't
Look at that.
Irma's 50th
Hey.
birthday.
All right,
you.
we'll go out for a little celebration, guys.
Yes.
All right,
Beautiful.
shall we go?
Yes.
I can't hear you.
Yes.
Louder!
No, stop.
You guys.
Pick up the dog.
Oh, look at Mika. Mika?
Oh, you should
Mika, look
see
at the tail going.
how Mika
Mika?
was looking at me that I'm dressed up. She was turning her head when she was looking at me.
Yeah.
She couldn't figure out what was going on.
What about Honey? Did Honey have it figured out?
I didn't look at her. Mika, I took all my attention
Look,
because she
Mika.
was really cute.
Come here, Mika. Come here, Mika. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, Honey's coming too. Okay, don't bark. Come on, don't fight.
Thank you.
Thank you. I want to get a picture of you two now before I forget.
Okay.